What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get in-game currency for free, specifically through in-app purchases. So let's get started. You need to have your phone jailbroken, so after you've done that, you go to Cydia, you go to Sources, at the bottom left, top right Edit, top left Add. You add in the repo that I've included in the description, which is Hack Your iPhone. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. Bottom right, hit search. Type in local IAP store. So click on it. This one by Anon Dev 1.4-4. Once you install that, you go to the game that you want. I'm going to do Temple Run because it's a game everybody knows. And once it's loaded easily, you just go to store and get more coins, things that you need to pay for. So tap on that, hit cancel. It's as easy as that. I'll do it a couple times so you see. And to make sure that the money actually works, you can upgrade whatever you like. Alright guys, if you like this tutorial, please like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel. I will be uploading more YouTube videos and tutorials, specifically about technology. So, see you then.